What's going on, everyone? It's Anatoly with Totally Invested. So you're a kid or a teenager and want to make some quick money. Well, in today's video, I'm going to talk about 20 different ways that we can do that. Do me a favor and smash that like button. I don't want to waste any time.
Let's go.
Here's a cool idea. There's a product out there called Plasti Dip that's been gaining popularity over the years. It's a removable paint that people are putting on their wheels, even on their entire cars. I've done it on my motorcycle. I've done it on my car. It does come off. Check out dipyourcar.com if you want to find out more about this stuff. You can also buy it at Lowe's and Home Depot. Dipyourcar.com has whole car kits that you can purchase to do an entire car. People are charging upwards of $1,000 to Plasti Dip their car. They're charging $100 just to do their wheels alone. Check out Facebook Marketplace and you can see just how popular this is right now. You can also do arbitrage with used items online. That's where you're buying stuff cheap and selling it for more than what you bought it for. You can check out Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, Craigslist, and a bunch of other places. Just remember to bring your parents along with you for safety, or your family members, because there's a lot of crazy people out there. I've personally bought and sold items online on Facebook Marketplace. I bought a used pair of dumbbells for $30, sold them the next day for $150. It's pretty easy money. Oftentimes you can even find products for free. You can get a chair for nothing, sell it for $5, buy something else for $5, sell it for $10, so on and so forth. Garage sale. Ask your parents if they have any junk laying around that they don't need anymore. You could sell your own things, your old toys, whatever it is that you have, or you can even ask your neighbors if they have anything that they want to sell. Everyone has old junk laying around they don't need anymore. Tutoring is another great way to make some money. Pick a subject that you're good at, tutor your classmates or students younger than you. You can also help tutor your neighbors that are older that might not know computers as well as you do. You can tutor them in the Mac operating system or Windows, depending on what you have and what you know well. A popular activity amongst business owners and business people today is golfing. So you could be a golf caddy and make some money on the side, and you can also hang out with some business owners and schmooze your way into a future job.
Hey, where you going with those clubs, punk?
Mr. Gilmore, I'm your caddy.
Oh, I'm sorry about that.
Nowadays, everybody has photos saved on their computers and on their phones. Some people are pretty old school and would prefer to have them printed. You can offer for a fee to go get them printed for them, or if you have a photo printer, you could charge them for the supplies and do it from your home. If you're into video games, you can look into online video game tournaments. They're all over the place, but a popular one is gamersaloon.com. An easy way to make some money online is with online surveys. If you're 13 or older, check out Survey Junkie or Swag Bucks. If you're 6 to 12, check out Kids Eyes with a Z in the middle. You're not going to make a ton of money, but it's an easy way to pick up an extra few bucks. You know those old photos and Polaroids that people may have laying around? Well, similar to taking their digital photos and printing them, you can take their printed photos and make them digital. If you have a scanner, go ahead and charge them a fee to scan it at home, or take it to a nearby store if you don't have a scanner. You might already be doing chores around the house for an allowance from your parents. Ask them if they have more chores to do and if they'd be willing to pay you some more. It's kind of like asking your boss for a raise, and it works. Social media is another great way to make some extra money if you're a kid or a teenager. There's YouTube, Instagram, Twitch. Grow a following, set up the ads, and watch the dollars roll in. You can also think about writing a blog if you want. People love and care about their cars. Ask your neighbors if they need a car wash and detail. Or if you know how to do oil changes, ask them if they need an oil change. Or restore those old ugly headlights that are yellowing. If you're pretty tech savvy, you can help people build or fix their computer. I did that a few times in high school. A neighbor came up to me and asked if I knew anything about computers. I helped him fix his. Next thing you know, he told other people, and I had many people lined up to fix their computers. You can help people set up their electronics at home. Anything from TVs to stereos to computers to their phones. They're going to be very grateful for your help and would be glad to pay you for it. Another super popular way to make money is selling candy at school. When I was in junior high, a bunch of my friends were doing it, were making a lot of money. Go to a grocery store, buy a pack of candy, sell it at school, profit. Just make sure you're careful and don't get in trouble for doing it. Grocery shopping. Ask your parents or your neighbors if they need any grocery shopping done, and you can do it for them for a small fee. You'd be surprised at how many people would take you up on that offer and save a lot of time on the weekends. You can buy and sell sneakers online. There's a place called StockX that's a marketplace for doing so. They make sure that you're getting authentic items. The idea is you buy collectibles or high demand shoes for low prices and end up selling them for higher prices later on. There are people making thousands of dollars a month this way. It's not the most glamorous gig, but advertisements. You know those cars that have stickers on them? Well, you could be that car. People will laugh at you for wearing an advertisement while you're biking or walking to school, but they won't laugh at you once they find out how much money you're making. You can charge a fee to do a number of different pet services, anything from walking a dog, bathing a pet, pet sitting, or feeding them while the neighbors are out at work. It's a great way to make money on a repeat basis, and if you love animals, it will be super easy. All right, you probably expected this one right from the start. Ask your neighbors if they need any lawn care. Offer mowing, raking, de-weeding, whatever it is they need, you be there for them. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you haven't already, please remember to smash that like button for more money-making tips in future videos. See you next time.